Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're checking out the AKASO EK7000 4K action camera, a compact and affordable choice that brings adventure capture within reach. This camera records 4K video at 30 frames per second and 20 MP photos with good enough video quality for the price. It's waterproof up to 98 feet, 30 meters, with the included housing perfect for snorkeling, diving, or beach shots. You get a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, burst photo, time-lapse, and loop recording modes, a handy splash-proof remote for hands-free operation. And it all comes with a full accessory kit, helmet mounts, bike mounts, 2 batteries, up to 180-minute runtime, chargers, and more. Worth noting, the video stabilization is essential. Tom's Guide warned that although it offers good video, camera shake and noise might be issues. Best to use 1080p/60 fps instead for smoother footage. Digital Camera World also noted that the EIS feature does indeed function, but may add audio artifacts. On stills, critics praise it for being budget-friendly, though saturated color and grain at low light levels are to be expected. Overall, if you need an economical action cam with easy 4K, waterproof, plenty of mounts, and decent controls, the AKASO EK7000 gives you more for the buck. Click on the link below to get the best price, and thanks for watching.